Welcome back. So in this video, we're going to learn two things: how to use the undo and the redo commands. So many people do have issues, when they're working on Microsoft Word, they've made a mistake and they're wondering, is it gone for real? No. So these commands that we're going to be looking at will help you to, bring back whatever you've mistakenly deleted in your document. So you should pay attention to it. It's very simple, and I'm going to demonstrate it right now. Undo and redo. I'm sure most of us are familiar with it. We've had it. Undo it, and stuff like that. So let's look at it. Let's say, for example, the man is waiting for me. It's part of this document. Or maybe in the process of typing, let's say I mistakenly delete this. All right, I've deleted that. And now I was wondering what happened. I can't find it again. Is it really gone? No. That's the advantage of computer. You understand? And what you're going to do to bring it back is very, very simple. Okay? So how do you bring it back? You are going to use undo command to bring it back. Undo. From the word undo, it's very clear that you want to, bring back an action that you've taken. You want to reverse that action. That's the meaning of undo. So let's look at it. I have deleted that sentence, but I want to bring it back using undo. All I need to do is to go to my quick access toolbar. Can you see it? This particular section. I've taught you this earlier. And this particular arrow facing left is called undo. Can you see it? This other one that is counterclockwise. All right, counterclockwise. That is the redo. So you use this by reversing an action, but you can use this to, bring it back again. To return to status quo, you can use this again. Do you understand? You can use your redo. So what you've brought back using undo command, you can reverse it again using redo. So if you look at this undo very well, it has a drop down button beside it. So when you click it, all the actions I've taken on this document are highlighted here. Can you see all of them? So look at it. I have 18 actions that I've just taken by deleting that sentence. And look at them. I deleted M, I deleted A, N, is, deleted T, and the likes. You understand? I deleted all of that. So if I want to bring them back, it's very simple. So let me go back to use the undo button itself. So I can bring it back one after the other by clicking one after the other. One. Can you see that? It's bringing them back. Can you see it now? Now it has brought it back for me. But I can also use this particular drop down button to bring back a particular action that I've taken out. So if you look at it now and there's something that you want to bring back, you can use any of these to bring it back. I hope you get what I'm saying. So what I actually wanted to bring back has come up. So definitely it won't be here again. Do you understand? But let's say I want to undo all the actions that I've taken today. All I need to do is to click here. You see, if I do this, I am only trying to undo one action. As you can see here, you see it here. Okay, undo one action. If I say this, I say two actions. This will take 3 actions. This 4. This means I want to undo all the 16 actions I've taken. Okay, so how do I do that? I'll just select it and everything will be returned back to status quo. Now you see it? So the waiting for me was there initially. So, but I added the man is waiting for me. The man is was added to it. So if I want to bring it back to status quo again, I want to redo that action. I have to click here. Okay, one after the other until that thing comes back. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? So if you look at it very well now, so everything has gone back to what it used to be. So by clicking undo now, it's going to bring it back. So this is where I actually want to be. Okay, so you now know how to make use of the 2 commands now. So these 2 commands are part of what you should play around at your leisure time. Just play around them, and you're going to see that it's very sweet using these 2 commands. Okay, so you don't have to panic when you mistakenly delete your text or you mistakenly took an action. You can reverse it by using undo command. And if you use the undo command mistakenly, also you can redo it. So these are things that you need to learn and master. Okay, so it's very simple. I'm going to be teaching you the control keys, the shortcuts now to all these things we're doing. Like for example, undo. Control Z is the shortcut or the short form for that. So if you don't want to go through all this stress by going to this button clicking, you can use your control key and Z. So you hold your control key down and press Z, and that's going to do it for you. So all these control keys, I'm going to bring them later. I'm going to teach you the short cuts to some of the commands and all that. Okay, so that will be taken in one video. So all the shortcuts that you can take, using your keyboard and all that will be taken in that video. So watch out for it. But I want you to learn the normal way of doing them. So later you're going to learn the controls so you can begin to use them one after the other, But this is the ideal way of doing it first. So later you can begin to now learn how to make use of your keyboard to do that. They are shortcuts. Okay, so I think you've learned something from this today. So in the next video we're going to take it up from there. So see you in the next video. Thank you.